much. Please, let's have our seats. Is the night far gone? But still, let me say thank you, Your Excellency, Governor Wike, and double that with his wife, Justice Susan Wike. I'm grateful to both of you. Without the home partnership, it is always very, very difficult to achieve a good result. Thank you, our First Lady. Even though the judicial reform has benefited from you being the wife of the governor, we see that progress being enunciated, and definitely by tomorrow the commissioning will reaffirm that. Thank you. The Speaker and members of the National Assembly, let me go to the Senate, see in the horizon the future that belongs to all of us. If you believe and be a team player, you will imagine what was demonstrated here. A surprise, collegiate, teamship, solidarity. What an intimidating outing. I salute all the governors, respectful, both outgoing and incoming. The Deputy Governor of Rivers State, Dr. Banigo, and the Governor-elect, thank you too for the support that explained tonight as a night of success, a day of success, celebration of success of development, celebration of success, of goals. For both the Rivers State and the nation. You see politics speaking a different language. Unity, solidarity, building the bridges across the earth. I thank all of you. Only to celebrate the victory that we just achieved. I am a very happy person. Let's not respond to banters. Governance is a serious business. And Nigeria is a serious project. We shall all be together to fulfill promises. Thank you, my brother, Peter Odili, and Mary Odili. Thank you for your contribution to judicial pronouncements in this country. We will never forget those landmark judgments and reforms. To many here, and to the nation, I still stand by my promise that Nigeria project is achievable and doable. It's a matter of thinking and doing. We've seen it here in Rivers State. It's demonstrated quite clearly that it's not just mere local support. It's a national support and national belief that will help us walk across the earth. Equally, I exchanged a banter with the Governor Wike. If you take me seriously, the question is, I'm a president-elect. I have no signature for expenditure until sworn in. How can I make commitments? I cannot sign a dime of Nigerian money or expenditure. Now, there can only be one president at a time. You don't ask me to go and commit to things that are mere expectations and cannot be fulfilled. I believe in fulfilling promises. That's why I'm here. And we have to do it for Nigeria. The essence of what we have just achieved is right in the front of us. Because peace, unity, equity, and justice in this country is a must. Yes, power is not served a la carte. You have to struggle for it. I flogged myself for this election. And I thank all of you for the support, for the encouragement you gave me to struggle for the journey. But I'm still on a countdown. You are more effective. In a way, you are more effective. Signature. If I sign anything for you now, commit to it, I can pay. For that flyover, how can I pay? Personal? No. It's not. It's not realistic to make that promise. We are serving Nigeria and we will do justice to the country. I hope that clear the social media fears. I don't respond to them. Yes, no name, they've not called me. It's a free speech society and around the world. I want to say thank you to many of you here. James Ibori, my class of 1999. We walk a long way and we make a long journey. We fulfill promises. We are committed to Nigeria. The unit by unit architecture of this country is that we forge together. Maybe with the solidarity shown tonight by the Senate, we will achieve our peace and stability by forging together. Or maybe we should re-examine our old national anthem. I'm standing here like that. That says the fourth stanza, no tribal tongues may differ, in brotherhood we stand. I thank all of you. Wike, I'm emotional for this reception. From morning till night, till long hours of am I lost for words. Where can I say thank you? If not here. So, loudly, can you get up, all of you, and say thank you? A very big one to my heart. Thank you. You may have your seat. May God bless you. Thank you for every one of you.